coming to the next slammer, he's from the UK actually, and when he heard about the idea of the TriboSlam, we heard two things from him. The first thing was he was really excited by the idea and by the opportunity that people could give a presentation with a bit of fun manner at the end of the first day of the conference. On the other hand, he was a bit sad that he couldn't join, and so we figured out it would be a nice idea, that was what we thought back then, to give him the opportunity to join online. So this is why he has prepared a presentation you will hopefully see within today. And he is actually, according to himself, he grew up as a child with his first word not being mom, but oil. And I had the idea when he was talking that he was a little bit like Obelix, who wasn't dropped into a potion, into a magical potion, but who was dropped into a bath of oil. And this is why he's very passionate about oils. He was spending his time working in 2 different oil laboratories across Europe, and now he's founded his own oil research laboratory. And so he would like to give us a little presentation, and actually being inspired by the season which is right now, which is vacation season, he decided that it's quite a neat time to go on vacation, not only for oneself, but also for the oil. Very warm applause and welcome him virtually, finally, after all the long waiting, for Adam Cutler.
Hi, and thank you for having me at TriboSlam this year. I hope everyone had a nice summer, which was the inspiration for my vacation-themed presentation. I was told the perfect TriboSlam lasts about 6 to 7 minutes, so I prepared something that fits exactly into this length, and I rehearsed it to be spot on. Okay, oh, what's this? I might have to shorten this a bit. So let's dive in. I'm Adam, the founder of Oil Analysis and Oil Analysis Laboratories. I live in North Wales. That's a little bit of west of England. Some people ask me why I have a sample bottle as my profile picture. Some say it's because my mother took the photo and wasn't quite up to speed with iPhones yet, especially with cropping. Others say it's because I look like this in the uncropped version. But I like to think it's because I put the bottle first, and that's why today I want to do a world premiere, our new service for sample bottles. That's right, Oil Lab Wellness Days, a vacation for your lube oil samples. Our lab is perfectly placed to give your sample fluids the relaxing break they need and deserve, and I will provide you with a plan for getting the most out of your fluids going forward. Think of us as your personal trainers, nutritionists, and therapists for your samples. Everything your fluid ever dreamed of, but never knew it needed. Whether it's feeling sluggish, showing signs of wear, or just overdue for a checkup, we're here to rejuvenate it. So sit back, relax, and take your fluids on a wellness journey, because even fluids deserve a little holiday.
Welcome to North Wales, home to Oil Analysis Laboratories. Wales is famous for its diverse wildlife and its great weather. But at Oil Analysis Labs Resort, the weather is hotter. No much hotter, hotter, not quite hotter still, that's right. At our lab, the weather in the ICP, inductively coupled plasma, is a toasty 10,000 degrees Celsius, twice the surface temperature of the sun. So, pack your sunglasses, because we're testing your samples in style. But where are my manners? I'm already vaporizing your samples and haven't even checked they've arrived safely. Thankfully, our express courier service whisks your samples from their machinery home to our lab, where they get the red carpet treatment with a personalized photo shoot on arrival. Ready for your close-up? After the glamour, it's time for some analysis. Your samples get a microscope inspection before some fun and entertainment on the Ferris wheel, where they take a spin in our magnetic field to check for metallic debris. Next up is the relaxation phase, our calming massage rollers, where your samples mellow out and mix with new friends before sub-sampling for testing. And don't worry about refreshments. At Oil Analysis Laboratories, our automatic sample diluter ensures your test tubes are always topped up. Feeling adventurous? Your samples can take a plunge on our warm 40 degrees Celsius, the waterslide. Watch them race to the bottom. Will they be ISO 32, 46, or 68? Their time to the finish will tell. It's so popular, everyone wants a turn on our automatic viscometer, because viscosity is, after all, the most important property of an oil. And don't worry, there are plenty of tubes for everyone to get a turn. While you wait, why not detox in our distillation sauna? Vapors reach nearly 400 degrees Celsius to separate things out. Too hot? No problem. Chill out in our cloud, pour and cold filter plugging point instrument at an icy -40 degrees Celsius, but watch out for those wax crystals. Feeling active? Burn calories in our bomb calorimeter, test your endurance with the rotating pressure vessel oxidation test, or pump some iron with our 4-ball weld test. At Oil Analysis Laboratories, your samples get the VIP treatment every step of the way.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed our brand new product launch. Tribology and lubricant analysis are wide and varied topics, and I'm all about making the industry more exciting and welcoming for new people. I hope you've had fun, and most of all, you're now curious to learn about oil analysis, for both you and your samples. If I could leave you with one piece of life-changing advice, it would be: luckily, I carry a spare battery, because that advice I was about to give was choose Oil Analysis Laboratories for when failure, and indeed running out of battery, is not an option. Thank you.